What's up, young people? Kit Cummings, Power Peace Project. Just wanted to check in with you. Man, I miss you. Got my partner Roots. He said he misses you too. Man, I miss walking through your halls and seeing y'all and hearing y'all say Roots. But anyway, I just want to check in with you. I know it's been a minute and I can't imagine what this feels like, being a young person, especially the seniors, and really all of you guys. This is a fun time of the year. It's springtime. You guys, graduation and prom and senior parties. And, there's got to be a way. I don't know when you guys get through this and we all get through it, but I feel for you, man. And I know you guys are cooped up. When you're young, you've got lots of energy, man. And you're wanting to get out there and do you like every generation before you has gotten to. And I know you're kind of shut in and, I can only imagine you guys are great at communicating, so I'm sure you're blowing it up, whether it be TikTok or Snapchat or Instagram or the way you do you. And I know your games are important. I know your music is crucial. I know movies and streaming and doing what you do. But I just wanted to encourage you and remind you of some things. I know some of you got to be going through some stuff. I'm not sure how cool it is with your parents right now, but you guys might be getting tired of each other, being shut up in your rooms, not being able to see your buddies or your girlfriend, your boyfriend, it's got to be challenging. So I know you're creating ways to connect, but I wanted to give you some encouragement and a little charge. Our program, Protect the Dream, a lot of you have gone through it, and those that haven't, we're coming to your school soon. But it's all about having a dream bigger than yourself that can pull you through things that are jamming up other kids. Right now, there's a lot of foolishness going on because people are stressed, they're anxious, they're depressed, they're angry, and you guys might get some of that, coming at you. Try to be, compassionate with the parents, man. We're pretty stretched right now and we're just trying to figure it out. But sometimes you get caught in the middle of it. But man, you guys are brilliant and beautiful. And right now, I need you to really focus on that dream. Maybe it's a graduation. Maybe it's a scholarship. Maybe it's an athletic dream. It could be that you want to start your own business, go on the mission field. You want to make a team, you want to go on and get a job or learn a trade or, maybe it's a destination. But now's the time. I need you to focus on what you desire and who you want to be and what you want to become. Because right now it's easy just to slip into entertainment, just entertain, avoid all the mess, resist, and just, kind of chill. But man, if this is important time, if you're an athlete, man, you need to be working out, figure it out. If you can't get to the gym, man, figure out how you keep your dream alive. If you're struggling in your grades, now's the time. You got to use this time. And I know it's a challenge, but now is not the time to take your eyes off of the prize. More than ever. Grown folks too, we got to keep our eye on what is important to us. A big dream has the ability to pull you through. Those that are struggling maybe with substances right now more than you usually do, whether it's hitting that vape or hitting that pipe or maybe some sort of pill, whatever it is, now's the time you got to protect that dream. If you remember the dream killers, irresponsible social media, be careful. You're practicing today who you're going to be tomorrow. How do you treat people online? What are you looking at? What's on those screens? Man, your brain is being wired by what you're consuming. Man, you're probably listening to more music. I need you to pay attention to the music and see if it's something that makes you more powerful and really supports your dream, or whether it's stuff that just takes away your power. Unhealthy relationships. Be careful right now, because in the desire to be entertained, you could connect with some people that when you get done with this thing, go back out into the free world, that you got some connections that might not be healthy for you. What about disrespect of authorities, man? The way you treat your parents right now, you're practicing how you're going to go back and treat teachers and preachers and cops and judges. And, you're practicing right now how you treat authority. Drug and alcohol abuse. Man, be careful. I know you want to soothe and medicate your pain. So do we. And I'm telling the grown folks the same thing. Objectifying females, objectifying males, treating one another as objects. Think about that other person on the end of that text Think about that picture you're thinking to send, or maybe you're receiving and maybe you want to share. Now's the time where I know you want to be relevant and you want to be noticed. Be careful. I mean, these crazy challenges that are going along, you don't want to hurt yourself during this time. You don't want to hurt somebody else. Man, these are the things that we got to be careful with. You guys are a brilliant, beautiful generation. The future is yours. We are going to rely on you to lead us as we get older. And so don't let this time be one that derails your dream to where you limp into the summer and, man, that take off some of your shine. I need you guys to be focused, and I need you guys to pull for one another. Think about that brother of yours that might be struggling. Reach out. Man, think about that young sister that's in a bad situation. Reach out. Man, figure out how to stay connected in a positive way. I know you're going to be kids. I know you're going to listen to and play and watch what you want to watch and play and listen to. I feel that. But I also need you to keep your mind inspired. Focus on that dream. Man, I can't wait to see you again. I'm going to come into my calling with a renewed energy and a focus. And man, we are going to blow some things up in a good way. So all my young friends, athletes, leaders, and especially the young people that are seeing this that feel like you don't matter, you do. You matter to me. Keep the dream alive. Love you. I'm going to come and see you. And we're going to have a big celebration when this craziness passes. Be the peace you want to see in your household, with your people, and make your dent in this world. We need you now. God bless y'all. Y'all are incredible.